Hey guys, welcome back to 234 in my Casa. Today I'm going to be making a potato salad that has been in my family for a long time. I recently came across this recipe going through an old recipe folder of mine. It is my Aunt Clem's mashed potato salad. I can't even believe that I came across this recipe. It is excellent, very, very simple. The only deviation that I'm going to take in this recipe calls for some hot sauce. I'm going to use some pickle relish and pickle juice. Is already hot anyway, so that's the only deviation. And this is her recipe, my Aunt Clem's mashed potato salad. So we're going to start off with about 1.5 pounds of russet potatoes. You're going to wash these, get them peeled, and we're going to cut these into about 1-inch cubes. All right, so we've got our potatoes all cubed up, washed and everything. We're gonna add our potatoes to a pot. You wanna make sure you've got maybe about a 4-quart pot. You're gonna add some cold water. You're gonna bring this to a boil and allow these to cook until tender. To ensure that your potatoes cook at the same rate of speed, you want to make sure your potatoes are all cut to the same size, about 1 inch each, and then make sure your water, of course, is cold water, so that way when you bring it to a boil and it's cooking, they'll all cook at the same rate of speed. All right, and while your potatoes are cooking, we're going to go ahead and get about 1/2 cup of green onions, sliced or diced, for our mashed potato salad. All right guys, so the potatoes are ready. We're gonna get them drained off and place them in a bowl and get them mashed up. So we're gonna get these added to a bowl. Now go ahead and add some ground black pepper. And you're gonna add enough ground pepper, just your own personal preference. And we're gonna add some kosher salt. And normally with potato salad, you kind of wait for the potatoes to cool off a little bit. But with this recipe, my Aunt Clem's mashed potato salad, she wants you to go ahead and dress the salad while it's still warm. So we're gonna go ahead and get the potatoes coarsely mashed up with the salt and the pepper. And you can coarsely mash it with a fork, or you can use a potato masher. All right guys, so to this we're going to be adding our spring onions. And this is about 1/2 cup. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of pickle relish. I'm using Sarge's Famous Pickles, sweet with a whole lot of heat. I just took some of the pickle slices and just diced them up with some scissors. So I'm going to be adding that. Next, we're going to be adding 4 teaspoons of pickle juice. You can use whatever pickle juice you would like to use. And you can use whatever pickle relish you'd like to use too. We're also going to want to use 2 teaspoons of hot sauce to go with this. Since I'm using a sweet heat pickle, I'm not going to do any hot sauce. The particular pickles that I use, they have plenty of heat in them, so it's going to be good. Next, we're going to add 1/2 cup of mayonnaise. You can use whatever mayonnaise you'd like to use. I'm using Blue Plate. We're going to get this all mixed together. All right, we've got this all mixed together. This is, the recipe requires or states to serve her mashed potato salad at room temperature. And I'm gonna go ahead and give it a taste just to make sure seasoning levels are there. You can add mustard to this too. In her recipe, she has on there that mustard is optional. So if you taste it, you can, and wanna add mustard, you can. She put in her recipe optional 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard. Go ahead and give it a taste. This is so good. And I'm gonna put another teaspoon of pickle juice in here. Probably another 2. All right, y'all, so this is what it looks like. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some of it and put in a bowl. And I'm gonna add some mustard to it and taste it and let you all know what it tastes like. It tastes perfect without the mustard, but we'll try it with the mustard and I'll give you my thoughts. All right, so this is the mustard I'm gonna use. Just put a little drop on there and get it mixed in. I'm a person, I like potato salad with or without mustard, so I don't just have to have it. So the mustard offsets the mayonnaise and the sweetness. So I think I'm gonna add mustard to my entire thing. It gives a nice balance between the two. It balances out your mayonnaise and balances out your sweetness. So it gives you the perfect combination of both. So I'm gonna add some mustard to my main potato salad. You can add it or not add it. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like after you've added the 2 teaspoons of mustard, of yellow mustard to your potato salad. The thing I love about this mashed potato salad, my Aunt Clem's mashed potato salad, is that it doesn't take long at all. This potato salad will take you about 15, 20 minutes. It's not a long, drawn-out process. So that's the best part about this potato salad, and it can be served immediately. No need to chill, or the way that her recipe reads is serve it at room temperature. This is some of the best mashed potato salad I've ever had. I remember my aunt, when she would make it, I recall her serving it. She would use a scooper and just scoop it and and scoop it and put it on our plates when we were kids. At least that's what I remember. But anyway, I'm so glad I came across the recipe. Thanks to my Aunt Clem. She's a beautiful lady. She transitioned a long time ago, but she was a beautiful lady, very funny. She was a joy in our family, okay? So I'm glad to share this recipe with you guys, and I'll see y'all next time here at 234 in La Casa. Y'all be blessed, be kind, be loving, and I'll see y'all later.